Hey there, let's learn how to make these beautiful heart components, which you can put together into a necklace or as a pair of earrings. Let's go. Okay, so to create these heart components, you're going to need a few 11s, some 8s. You're going to need definitely two 6mm 2-hole cabochon per earring or per component, and one 4mm pearl or druck. I'm going to pick up two size 8, slide them down towards the end of a thread. We're going to leave a couple of inches here of a tail because we're going to tie this into a knot. Okay, I know I'm going a little bit fast here, but there is a video already that explains in more detail how to tie this particular knot that I'm doing here. So don't try to figure it out on this video if it's a little too fast for you. Don't struggle and go to my channel. Okay, we're going to cut this tail close to the knot. Okay, from here we're going to try to put it here so that you can see it a little bit clearer. So we have our 2 8s. We're going to pick up the 4mm druck and we're going to slide it down towards the end. I'm going to put my finger here so that my beads don't go flying. There we go. You can bring it up against your beads. Okay. Then from here, we're going to pick up one of your 6mm 2-hole cabochons. So if you look at them, you'll see here that you have 2 holes, right? We're going to use the one on the right. Slide it down towards our beadwork. Okay, here. Keep it as tight as you possibly can. So you should have this. There's the other hole right here. We're going to pick up 2 8s and we're going to stitch through that second hole in that same cabochon. Okay, right through here. I'm going to put my finger over the cabs so I can pull it tight. There you go. And you're going to have that. Now we're going to pick up 1 11, slide it down towards the end of our thread or towards our beadwork. Here. Now we're going to pick up our second cabochon from the same hole on the right side. Slide it down. Bring it up against our beadwork. Pick up 2 8s, 1 and 2. Stitch through the second hole, so I'm going to turn it. Stitch through the second hole of the same cabochon. Fold it through. And tighten it. Now, stitch through that 4mm pearl. And here I'm actually going to pick it up the mat for a little bit so that I can tighten it. Okay, nothing. Okay, and we're going to stitch through that 8 right there from the original 2 that we picked up. Now from here we're going to pick up 1 8, stitch up that second 8 on the set of 2. Nice and tight. Now we're going to stitch through the 4mm druck. We stitch back through that 4mm pearl. Just going to put my finger there. And as you can see, we created a little bit of a gap here, but that's fine. We can pick it up and just hold our beadwork between our fingers and just give it a nice tug. You can pull this 11 down here too. 8, sorry. Right there. And now that we have everything tightened up, then we can hold on to this here and then pull up to tighten up. Okay, now we have everything tightened. We are going to stitch through. Let's pick it up our beadwork actually. We're going to stitch through this right hole on the 6mm tab, the first one that we used. And the 2 8s on the side of that cabochon. Okay. From there, we're going to pick up 2 8s, 2 11s, and stitch through the 11 that's between these 2 cabochons right here. Okay, pull that. We have this. Now we're going to reverse that. So we're going to pick up 2 11s, 2 8s, and stitch through the 2 8s on the side of the other cabochon. 1 and 2. Now we're going to pick up 3 8s. And I'm just going to hold my tension here. 1, 2, 3. Stitch through that first 8 in the set of 2. We're going to skip this one here, and we're going to stitch through the second one in that same group. We're going to pull tight because everything's a little flimsy right now. So I'm just going to pull tight right now. There. And now I'm going to pick up 3 8s. And we're going to stitch through the 1 and 2 8s that are already here. And we're going to pull nice and tight. And we have our little heart shape right there. Now, depending on what we're doing, if we're connecting it to other components via a chain, like this necklace here, then we would pick up the last link of our chain. This is just a little chain that I'm using as an example, but pick up that last chain, stitch through the next 2 8s, and then reinforce by stitching through these here. So we're going to stitch through the next 2 11s. Pull tight. We're going to skip the single 11 and stitch up the next 2 11s. Stitch through the next 2 8s. And then we would pick up the other end, or the second chain that we're going to be using to connect to the others, and then stitch. You would secure that. You would secure that, and you can cut your thread, and then you would continue connecting them. If you're making an earring, then what you can do is you can pick up a small jump ring, like a 4 or 5mm, and then you can put this right through one of your 8s in here. recreates. You can close this. And then you can add the ear wire to that jumper. This is just another one because I can't find one right now. But that's basically it. Hope you like it, enjoy it, and share it with your friends. Bye-bye.